Function call with an if condition continued. Hi! In the previous video, we saw how to check a condition and to print add function output will be printed or subtract function output will be printed or there is no function statements depending on the user choice. But what we wanted was to get the output of the add function or the subtract function. Right? So let us see how to do it in this video. In the previous video, I told you that I will show the correct place to write the function call. Remember? Let me tell you where to write it. We have to put the function call inside the if condition. Can we do that? Yes. Do you remember we wrote the function call inside a loop in the previous videos? Yes. In the same way, we can also write the function call inside an if condition. Let us do it here. So, we write the add function call inside the if condition where we check if user underscore choice is equal to 1 after the print statement. So now it won't just print the statement, but it will call the function also if the condition is true. Let us also write the subtract function call inside the elif condition where the user underscore choice is equal to 2. So if user underscore choice equal to 1, write the add function call here. If user underscore choice is equal to 2, write the subtract function call here. Else, print that there is no function. Now, let us go to Python and write the code. Here, inside our if condition, after the print statement, press enter and write add, open bracket, close bracket, and put 1, 2 inside the brackets. Also, in our elif condition, after the print statement, press enter and write subtract, open bracket, close bracket, and put 25, 15 inside the brackets. Save the file and run the code. The output printed is there is no function. Now, what do we want? We want either the add or subtract function to run. So, let us change the value of the user choice to 1. Save the file and run the code. The output printed is 3. Because the user choice is 1, the if condition is run and the function call inside the if condition, which is the add function, is called and 3 is printed as output. Now, what if we want our subtract function to run? We should change the user choice to 2 and put the subtract function call in the elif condition. Correct. So let us do it and save the file and run the code. The output printed the total value 10. Because the user choice is 2, the elif condition is run and the function call inside the elif condition, which is a subtract function, is called and 10 is printed as output. Now, when we give user underscore choice to be any other number other than 1 or 2, then the else block will be run and the output will be printed as there is no such function, as we saw in the first example. I hope you understand now how to write a function call inside an if statement. See you all in another interesting video. Bye bye.